Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. Welcome to Vinay. So I'm going to start MSBI session. MSBI, Microsoft Business Intelligence. Friends, business intelligence tools from Microsoft Corporation. Okay, it's very nice. Before we have a deep dive into MSBI, I have a couple of questions. What is business intelligence? And what is the outcome of business intelligence? I have these two questions, guys. What is business intelligence? What is the outcome of the business intelligence? Why companies are so enthusiastic in the implementation of business intelligence solutions in our organizations, right? Yes, these are my questions now, right? So I see only few guys. I think one more left over, right? No problem. Right. Sir, what is business intelligence? My first question. Can someone want to answer that? What is business intelligence? What is business intelligence? Can someone want to answer it? What is business intelligence? See, we decided to go ahead and set our roadmap towards business intelligence team. If someone asks you, hey, what is business intelligence means, we should be in a position to answer that question, right? So let us start with the business intelligence and then we can proceed this one and then we can go ahead with Microsoft Business Intelligence. So for that purpose, I'm just taking the help of MS Paint. Yes, MS Paint. Right. Sir, this is our MS Paint, sir. Here I'm going to draw the diagram. Sir, assume that we have Hyderabad branch, Vinay is having multiple branches. Hyderabad branch, Chennai branch, and Mumbai, or else Bangalore branch. Sir, we maintain our business data. We maintain our business data. So this is my Hyderabad branch. Hyderabad branch maintains our own data in the form of Excel. Usually, where do we store our business data? Usually, where do we store our business data? Either in what are the storage areas we have? Storage areas. Number one, databases and file systems. When I say databases, SQL Server, Oracle, DB2, MySQL, MS Access, all these things. When I say file system, when I say file system, right? Excel predominantly, flat file, XML, and raw files. These are the databases where we store our data permanently, and these are the file systems where we store the data temporary basis. Right? Right. Okay. Sir, all my Hyderabad branch details are in my Excel. All my Bangalore branch details are in my Oracle system, and Chennai branch details are in Chennai branch details are in Chennai branch detail. Chennai branch details are in Teradata. I have three branches. Each branch has been maintaining their own data with respect to file systems and databases. With respect to file system and databases. Right. Right. So we have Infosys. Infi, what we call it. Right? They have generated 35% revenue for quarter 3, 2023. We are done with quarter 3, right? And TCS was able to generate 45% revenue for quarter 3, 2023. Okay? For quarter 3, 2023. So now, guys, do you think this 35% revenue has been generated only from Hyderabad because of the Telugu guys? No. This is enterprise level revenue generation. And this is the amount generated by across all the branches. It's not from Hyderabad or Bangalore or Chennai or Mumbai or Kolkata or else Gurugram. No, this is enterprise level information across the summarization of all the branches. So I have three branches. Right. I want to know what the total revenue generation from all three branches. I am least bothered about the individual branch. I need the total revenue generation from all three branches. So for that purpose, sir, I'm just trying to configure a server over here. A server. I'm just trying to configure a server here. This is my SQL server. SQL Server. Here we have a database called Enterprise Database, EDB, Enterprise Database, Enterprise Database, where it contains all the branches information, all three branches information. Okay, guys? But sir, this is our SQL Server and these are your different sources. What do you mean by source? Okay, tell me now. Sir, I'm traveling from Hyderabad to Bangalore. Here, what is my source and what is my destination, sir? What is my source and what is my destination? Source is my Hyderabad. Bangalore is the destination. Guys, please make it more interactive. I should say something, you should listen it. No, it should not be the case. It should not be the case. Right? Make it more interactive, guys. Try to open up and then speak to me. Right. Now, sir, Hyderabad is the source and Bangalore is the destination. What do you mean by source? Source is a place from where you start your journey, and destination is a place where you stop your journey. In other terminology, source is a place from where the driver picks. Okay, bus starts from BHL. Being a driver who drives the bus, who takes the passengers from one place to another place. Being a driver, I picked few passengers from BHL, few passengers from Miapur, KPHB, KP, and then SR Nagar, Amirpet, Vanasthalipuram, all these things. So I have picked the passengers from multiple places and dropped them into one location called Bangalore. In the same way, I'm trying to pick the data from the multiple sources and dropping it into one destination, one destination. So I would like to call them as source systems, and this is my destination system or target system. Right. Any questions on this? Any questions on this? Any questions on this, guys?
No. No.
Okay. But sir, sources are different. Source 1 is in the form of Excel. Source 2, Oracle. Source 3, Teradata. But destination is SQL Server. So you can't combine all three different systems into one system altogether. It's not at all possible. So that's the reason I would like to take a help of something called staging area. What do you mean by that? Okay. You get the data from source 1 to here. You get the data from source 2 to here. You get the data from source 3 to here. Combine it. Combined data will be loading into the destination system. We call it as data integration or else ETL extraction and loading. Sir, what do you mean by data integration? Integration means combining. What would you like to combine? Data which is coming from multiple and different sources into one destination system. One destination system. Right? Combining the data from source 1, source 2, source 3 to one destination system. Are you clear with the data integration? Are you clear with the data integration process? If not, I'm happy to repeat it once again, guys. Please open up and then talk to me, please.
It's clear.
It's clear, right? Right. Now, sir, now, once you are done with the data integration process, let us focus on ETL. Sir, ETL. Okay. From source, you are trying to read the data, write the data. From source, you are trying to reading the data, writing the data.
Reading the data.
Reading the data. From source, you are pulling the data, pushing the data.
Pulling the data.
Pulling the data. From source, you are getting the data, setting the data.
Getting the data.
Instead of using getting, pulling, reading, taking, I want to use a proper technical term called extraction. It's a proper technical term. Extraction. Extraction equivalent terminology in SQL is select. Select. You are selecting the data from 3 different sources. Whatever the data that you extracted business data must be processed by using transformations. Transformations. That's the reason we call this as a transformation area or else staging area. Staging area. Finally, processed business data, transformed or processed business data must be loaded into
destination.
Yes. Right. Right. See that now? ETL process. Extraction, select the data, right? Selected data must be processed by using transformations. Processed data must load into the destination system. This is our total ETL process. Do you have any questions, my dear friends?
No.
No. Others, please.
No, it's clear.
Okay. Now, sir, for example, we have 1,000 records over here, 2,000 records over here, and 3,000 records over here. Totally, after successful completion of ETL process, you will be having 6,000 rows as an enterprise database. Right. Once you are done with that, this data will be used for our data visualization. This is your report. See, in x-axis, we have Q1 data, quarter 2. Quarter 2 data, quarter 2, quarter 2, happened. Quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. This is for an year called 2020. 2020. You generated this report from this enterprise level database. Right. Right. So now you got the report. Hey, Satish, you got a Airtel phone bill with 25,000 rupees outstanding amount. Now, do you want to pay the amount as it is, or else you need to do some preliminary analysis? You start doing the preliminary analysis.
Yes.
As part of your analysis, you open the report and then try to analyze your tariff part. So once you have the report must be thoroughly analyzed. Thoroughly analyzed. This is your analysis section, final section, right? So here it is. This is our data visualization process. And this is our data analysis. Totally, we call this as a business intelligence architecture diagram. Business intelligence architecture diagram. Right, right. Sir, Satish, you got phone bill with 25,000 rupees outstanding amount. You start analyzing your report. And then, as part of your analysis, you got to know your fiancée sits in UK. She is working for a client at onshore, right? Onshore location. Now, you are in Hyderabad working in ODC Offshore Development Center 5. Now, every day you call her and then conversation has been going for long hours because of IST call. You got 25,000 rupees phone bill. This is the root cause analysis. After this data analysis, you will be in a position to analyze the data, and then based on your analysis results, you can take a better decision. Okay. So having said that, what is business intelligence, Amma? What is business intelligence? Business
Extracting the
intelligence means
data
it is
which is
a
coming from the
set
various
of
systems, transforming the data,
activities.
loading the data.
Exactly. A set of activities. What kind of activities involves in any BI? Data integration or else ETL process, extraction, transformation, and loading process. And then data visualization or else report design. And then data analysis. These are the common activities that we perform in any of the BI. Doesn't matter whether it is MSBI or Power BI, SAS BI or Oracle BI, any BI. Are we good now? Are we good now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Right. Now, Satish, again, come back to your example. You got to know that you got the reason basically why you are getting 25,000. Why you got 25,000 rupees outstanding amount. Right? Now, the reason is, you know the reason. Okay. Arey yaar, my bill amount, my salary is 50,000. My bill amount is 25,000 rupees. There is no saving for the month. I want to reduce the bill amount. You take a decision to reduce the bill amount. Okay, decision is okay. How do we implement that? You take a decision with two different options. In order to reduce the bill amount starting from next month onwards, you call to call center and then ask them to enable IST facility on your SIM card. Next, two, you try to reduce the number of hours to stock. Either of these two. If you decide either of these two, then from next month onwards, your bill amount will be reduced. So, what is the ultimate goal of this one? Decision making. That's the reason we call it as decision making system or else DSS. Decision supporting. Right. Yes, guys. Yes, the ultimate goal of the why are we implementing the business intelligence solutions means for better decisions making, for better decision making purpose we go for business intelligence solutions. Are we good now? Emma, are we good now? Are we good now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you, Anu. Thank you. Right. Next, sir, I'm going ahead with the business intelligence. I'm going ahead with the business intelligence. Sir, BI tools from Microsoft. Business intelligence tools from Microsoft Corporation. Okay. What is the first tool, Amma? Yes, please. What is the first tool? SSIS. SQL Server Integration Services. Okay. Sir, this is one of the BI tool from Microsoft Corporation. But where it helps us in the total architecture diagram. This is our BI. In this BI architecture, what activities can be achieved through SSIS? Where exactly it can fit into? Where exactly it can fit into?
We'll extract the data from the different sources.
See, I stands for
Integration.
This total data integration activities takes care by SSIS, and that's the reason I have given a total line. That's the reason I started with data integration, Amma. SSIS. So SSIS is a data integration tool or ETL tool. So this is data integration or else ETL tool. What are the other tools available in the market? Other ETL tools, Informatica, Data Stage, Ab
Initio,
Initio,
Teradata,
yeah, Teradata,
ClickView,
BODS, ODI, Pentaho, Talend, Alteryx.
ClickView.
ClickView is complete data visualization tool, sir, but it supports very basic ETL operations. Yes, yeah. Pentaho, Talend, Alteryx, Snowflake. These are the different ETL tools available in the market, in addition to SSIS. Next one, SSRS, SQL Server Reporting Services. This is how I maintain the notes and for every batch. See, this is morning 7 a.m. And upload it to Google Drive, starting from your session, and then SSIS architecture, and then this is running notes, and this is very useful for you guys when we talk about when you go through the things basically. I mean, recording sessions, everything, whatever we discuss, you can find it in the material, like you can find it in the running notes and upload it into Google Drive on daily basis. Right. So SSRS, this is for data visualization process or report design. So this particular activity can be achieved by using SSRS. And for SCAS is SQL Server Analysis Services. And this is for data analysis or else by data analysis using multi-dimensional model or tabular models. We'll discuss these two things when we talk about SSAS. So this part can be achieved by using SSAS. Now, friends, tell me something. You are in a position to perform. You are in a position to perform all your BI activities. Okay. Are we in a position to perform ETL activities by using MSBI tool? Can we achieve ETL activities by using MSBI tool? Can we achieve ETL activities, data integration activities by using MSBI tool?
Yes.
Yes. What is that? What tool helps us in the implementation of ETL activities? SSIS. Yes, SSIS. Right?
SSIS there.
Guys, can you please go on mute, Amma? If you're not really talking, please, it's recording. That would be disturbance for you when you listen this individually. Right. Now, are we in a position to design the reports by using MSBI tool? Yes, SSRS. Are we in a position to analyze the data by using MSBI tool? Yes, SSAS. So you are in a position to perform all your BI activities by using MSBI tool. That's the reason I want to call it as Microsoft Business Intelligence. Microsoft Business Intelligence. Microsoft Business Intelligence Architecture. Are we good now?
Yes.
Are we good now? Do we have any questions?
No.
Do we have any questions? Do we have any questions?
No, sir.
No. Okay, right. See, simple, Amma. I can't move ahead. That's my weakness, actually. It's weakness or else strength, whatever. Until you confirm it, I can't proceed. So that's the reason. Maybe that's the reason. That's one of the reason where I could able to sustain in the market for the past 13 years in IT. Yeah, in teaching field, I can say, right? Okay. So guys, right? So we listed out other ETL tools available in the market. Let us list out other reporting and analysis tools available in the market. And yes, please. Yes, please, Mamaji. Tab you, click view, right? And then
OBE.
MicroStrategy, OBIEE, Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, and then what
OBE.
else? Actuate. Yeah, SSRS. Yeah, tell me Power BI. I missed the initial demo. Please share this. Yeah, sure, dear. I'll do that. If you want, please provide me your email ID and then contact number, same as others. Others has already provided. You feel free to provide your email ID and then contact number, my dear. Right. And Power BI, Microsoft, ClickView, Actuate, Jasper reports, and TIPCO Spotfire. TIPCO Spotfire. What else? What else reports we have? Yes, we have the Cognos, SAP BO, business objects. We have these many reporting come data analytical tools available in the market. Now, guys, I have a question. Thank you, Abdul. Yes, I have a question. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions, guys? We listed out both the MSBI and other relevant tools available in the market. Right. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions?
No.
I want to hear a question from you. It's simple. Sir,
Sir, which one had the greater share market excellence?
exactly. Sir, even though we have these many tools available in the market, why MSBI? I want to hear hear the same question from you guys, sir. Please be active. Be active. Yes. Right. Sir, simply, why MSBI? Why MSBI? We have so many tools available in the market. Why MSBI? Right. Sir, in our company, we have a BI project. BI project. BI means ETL, report income analysis, and we need a server in terms of infrastructure standpoint. Right? Right. So for ETL, I would like to go ahead and purchase Informatica because I was not aware of MSBI. I was not aware of MSBI. I purchased Informatica. I had to spend a lot of amount to purchase Informatica license cost. I am not talking about Amirpet license. I am talking about enterprise license. For report income analysis, I would like to go with the Tableau. And for server, we need a server, right? We need a server for this purpose to maintain the enterprise level data. And I would like to go ahead with Oracle server. So infrastructure is ready, right? So infrastructure is ready. I had to spend 3/4 of my bank amount just to purchase licenses and infrastructure procurement. I'm using complete technical terminology, Amma. And you have to learn all this terminology. It's not a buzzword. We use the same terminology in our real time as well. I talk only technical only. I never talk anything else. Right. Now, Informatica. Sir, infrastructure is ready and tools are ready. Who will operate them? You need the resources. 2 resources per, right, Informatica. 1 resource per Tableau. And 1 Oracle DBA. Database administrator. Sir, my bank balance is 0 now. Because you have to purchase everything. You have to purchase everything, including infrastructure and tools and resources as well. But so now my friend came into the picture and he told me, hey, why don't you go for MSBI? Hey, what is that MSBI? MSBI is a built-in component of SQL Server. SS stands for SQL Server. SQL Server. So MSBI is a free of cost that comes with SQL Server. When you purchase SQL Server, MSBI is for free of cost. You don't require to purchase it as a separate component. For example, okay, you purchased Sony Bravia 55 inches TV. Okay, very nice. But sir, we have offer, Dasra offer, or Deepavali offer, or else Christmas offer, right? What is the offer here? When you purchase a Sony Bravia TV, Tata Sky dish is free, installation is free, delivery is free, and 1 year South Pack Tata Sky subscription is also free. Oh my God, very nice, right? In the same way, when you purchase a SQL Server, all 3 MSBI tools are for free of cost. No cost. No cost BI tools. Right? Sir, you are saying no cost. See, sir, one question at the end of the session. Yes, no problem, dear. Snowflake is not an ETL tool. It is an ETL tool that works on cloud-based. Snowflake is an ETL tool. Yes, it's an ETL tool. Sai. Sri Satya, yeah. Yes. So no cost BI tools, right? Yeah. And the next one is, hey, you are saying it's no cost, right? It's a no cost. How about the performance? Excellent performance with the rich in features. Okay, two options over here. How about the security? Hey, I'm dealing with the bank data where we can see social security numbers and credit card PIN numbers and everything, right? So great in providing the security as well. So what else you need? User friendly. All Microsoft products are user friendly. User friendly. User friendly UI, user interface. So because of these 5 characteristics, including this one, MSBI is still on top of all these BI tools available in the market. Hope I answered your question. Hope I answered your question, my
And
dear
sir,
friends.
and how about the resources? We go
Here,
for
yeah,
the,
right. How about the
tools,
resources?
yeah, sure.
Yeah. Sir, it's all depends on, it's all depends on the project severity and complexity as in my project, we are 3 members, including me. Even after 19 years of experience, even though I am an AVP, right, Assistant Vice President of the organization, I sit for long hours and then do coding and so including me, we are 3 members because we are developing a complex, robust data warehousing system for our bank users. It's all depends on the number of packages, and timelines as well. We have 1 year time. You can go ahead with 1 or 2 people. I have only 3 months time to deliver the product. So it's all many parameters, like based on the many parameters, we decide resources to work in the project. Hope I answered your question, my dear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, right. So let me copy these things. I'm not missing. Yeah, right. So this is about total BI tools, sir. Right. Sir, are you clear on this one? Are you clear on this one? Are you clear on this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Sir, next point. What is the duration of this particular total course? Duration. Sir, duration is divided into two parts and SSIS takes 20 to 20, no, no, 25 to 30 hours. And 30 hours, I mean to say, 30 hours. This is SSRS 12 to 15 hours. And same thing applies to this one as SSEAS, SQL Server Analysis Services. That includes both multi-dimensional, which supports that is MDX, and tabular model that supports DAX, data analysis expression. Are we good, Amma? Are we good? No, Balaji. No, Balaji. I'm rushing to
Yes.
something, or else I got into the project where manager is asking me to insisting me to deliver something where I don't have knowledge on any of these three tools. Is there any way to complete it in 1 month? Yes. Yours could be at 9 a.m., sir. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. I'm going to start SSIS from tomorrow onwards. No gaps at all. Tomorrow onwards. That would take 20. Let us consider the upper bound. This one, 30 hours. Right. Before that, we have 8 a.m. batch. 8 a.m. batch, I'm going to start SSRS and followed by SSAS in another 1 or 2 weeks so that you can finish the total course in 1 month. That takes 30 hours again at max. 30 plus 30 is 60 hours. Are we good, Amma? So, in that case, it is nothing but a fast track kind of thing. Fast track, similar to fast track. So, but you need to attend two different classes, 8 to 9 and 9 to 10, right? So that you can finish the total course within, like within 1 month, I can say. Are we good, Amma? Are
Sir,
we
do
good?
you have any classes, future classes in the night?
Sorry, I can't hear you properly. Can you please speak a little louder?
Sir, this time I cannot attend these 2 times, sir. I've got my own commitment. So please, do you also have us nights in the night
Yes,
after 8 o'clock?
that's what. In 8 a.m., we are in the mid of SSRS. So if you want, you can attend it, and we can again, once you are done with SSAS, RS and AS, again we are going to start a fresh batch with SSIS. So you can continue in that route actually. If you are really,
Sir, actually, I am looking for the night classes, sir, after 8 o'clock in the night.
no, I can't hear you properly. Your voice is very low.
Uh, okay, sir, I'll type, sir. I am LOOKING looking for night GHKESS
No, no, no. You can type it. You can type it here. Are there any classes at 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. I'm not sure, my dear. At
Yes.
present, we have only 9
The
a.m.
10
batch,
p.m., sir.
right?
10 p.m., sir.
I'm looking for night classes starting 9 p.m. Not at all possible,
I'm
my dear.
looking for the 10.
In the evening, after 6, I won't be available because I will be having continuous calls. No, not at all possible. Both are not possible at this particular point. After at 10 o'clock and 8 a.m., 8 p.m. No, not possible. No, dear, I'm really sorry.
Sir,
Yes.
uh, I-
Let me stop the recording.